section. So Thai boat noodle, 3 for $5, 1 for $2. Meatball, beef soup.
Meatball, 3.
Thai barbecue. There's 2X, finest food. Oh yeah, 2X finest food. Hmong Highlander barbecue. Always great tasting. It's probably like the most crowded place. New Year right here, the food place. This is what 90% of Hmong people come to New Year for. For the food. Oh yeah. It's like a food center. Oh, what about the kids? Come on, let's still walk around, man. Walk around, play around. We are walking around. Famous Lao Papaya. It's the famous Lao Papaya. As you can see here, we're stuck in traffic. Whoa. So stuck in traffic. Oh man. Okay. So now we're out of traffic. Stockton. Asian food.
No, you can have it. You wanted it.
I say we don't eat. I say we wait until we go home. That's papaya, $5 and up. #1 papaya. Damn, what's better? #1 papaya or best papaya? #1 papaya or best papaya? Or fresh papayas? I can't pick now. Do I want the #1 or the best?